Okay, we're here in the front of lesson 7, the very front. I'm going to do this one down here, and then you're going to do the one on the top by yourself. So it says your parents are redecorating the dining room and want to place 2 rectangular wall sconce lights that are 25 inches wide along a 10 2/3 foot wall. So they're 25 inches wide along a 10 2/3 feet wall, and that the distance between the lights and the distances from each light, so this distance between and the distance from each light to the nearest edge of the wall are the same. So we don't know what these distances are, but they're all the same. I'm going to call them X. Design the wall and determine the distance. So what I'm doing here is I'm going to write an equation that says when I add all these distances together, I will get the total. So X plus 25 inches plus X plus 25 inches plus X equals, this is in feet and these are in inches. I know I can multiply times 12 to get the number of inches. So 10 times 10 2/3 times 12, let's see, that's 32/3 times 12, which is 32 times 12. (384/3), which is actually 128. So 10 2/3 feet is 128 inches. So X plus 25 plus X plus 25 plus X equals the total 128. This is the same thing you're going to be doing up here, except that they gave it to you in feet. I should have 1, 2, 3 X's plus 50 equals the total, 128. And now I'm going to solve my equation in order to discover what X is, because that's what I'm trying to find. I want to know what that distance is. So let's start out with 3X plus 50 equals 128, and we're going to solve it. I know that if I subtract 50 from both sides, that this makes 0. So then I'll be left with 3X equals 128 minus 50, which is 78. Then I know I can multiply times 1/3 because this makes 1. So X is 78 times 1/3, also known as 78 divided by 3, which is 26. And that should be inches because we made sure that all of these were in inches. You're going to do the same thing on the one up here. You need to set up an equation that says this plus this plus this plus this plus this equals the total, and then you need to solve to find what this distance is.